When graphing a line using the plotting points method, you need to either choose two numbers for x, two numbers for y, or one number for x and y, and then figure out the missing value. When graphing a nonlinear equation, you need to choose anywhere from 3 to 7 numbers depending on the equation given. I personally like to use 5, but 3 is typically the minimum. 7 is usually enough, so I like to go somewhere in the middle. So we're going to graph this first linear equation, y equals negative 2x plus 4, by plotting points. So I'm just going to pick a couple values for x since it's already y equals. So I'm just going to let x equal 0 and x equals 1. Just small, easy numbers. Don't have to go overboard on it. So for x equaling 0, I'm going to plug that in, and I'm going to get y equals negative 2 times 0 plus 4, which is going to give me y equals positive 4. So I know that when x is 0, y is 4. Now I'll do it again when x equals 1. So y equals negative 2 times 1 plus 4. So y equals negative 2 plus 4. Y is going to equal positive 2. So there's my other point. So I have the points 0, 4 and 1, 2. So I'm going to graph them. So 0, 4 is going to be right here. And 1, 2 is going to be over 1 and up 2 right here. And then from this point, I know since it's a line, I'll just draw the best line I can through these 2 points. And I'll get something like that. It's not picture perfect, but it's good enough. The points are correct and the line's more or less straight. So there you go. Now those are lines. Lines aren't too bad. But what about something that's nonlinear? Y equals x squared. So like I said, you need to do between 3 and 7 values. I like to do 5, but you can get away with less as the situation calls. So I'm going to pick some values for x. I'm going to say negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Nice, small, easy numbers. And now I'm going to plug each one into the original function and see what we get. So first one is negative 2, so y equals negative 2 squared. Y is going to equal positive 4, so that's my first value. Do it again for negative 1. Y equals negative 1 squared, so y is going to equal positive 1. That one. Next is 0. Y equals 0 squared, so y equals 0. Goes there. Put in 1. Y equals 1 squared, so y equals 1. There. And then last one, y equals 2 squared, so y equals 4. So I got these points here, these 5, so I'm going to graph each one. So negative 2, 4, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. Negative 1, positive 1, over 1, up 1, 0, 0, right here, 1, 1, here, and 2, 4, here. So I can see this graph kind of goes down then up. So I'll just connect it as best I can, like so, and like so. Again, not a computer. Graph is a little bit off, but that's okay. The points are right, the shape is correct, so I feel pretty good about my graph. Last, I have absolute value of x. So again, pick some values for x. I'm going to just choose small, nice ones. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Now I'm just going to plug them in and see what my y values are. So y equals the first one, negative 2. So absolute value of negative 2. Y is going to equal positive 2. So there's my first one. Negative 1's next. So y equals absolute value of negative 1. So y equals positive 1. Done. Next, y equals absolute value of 0, which is going to give me 0. Again, nothing too bad. I'm going to plug in 1, y equals absolute value of 1, which is going to give me 1 as well. And then last, going to plug in 2, so y equals absolute value of 2, which is going to give me 2. So I got all my points now. So -2, +2, -1, +1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 2, 2. So here it is, a little bit straighter than the other one. So we can say that this here goes like that, and this one goes like that. Again, not a computer, not much of a drawer, but the points are right, the shape is correct, so I'm happy with the graph that I have drawn.